Hello, good evening. Welcome to 25th May 2019. Uh, we have done the last load ferry and reached Tenta within a good hours before the climate got changed tremendously. Now we have set up our camp over here and we are surrounded by a lot of mountains, Jagatsuk 1, Jagatsuk 2, probably what this ridge is called?
No brew, watershed ridge.
Watershed ridge, precisely. And exactly on back of us and top, we have our mountain, which we need to, where we need to take blessings of Dev Tiba, which means the god of mountains. In fact,
Mountain of gods.
Mountain of gods. And usually, this is a very plain ground with a lot of white flowers.
Primulas.
Primula.
Pink. There are 7 different varieties.
Varieties, yeah. So now we are on top of that, which has about 15 to 20 feet of
More than
ice.
that, 30
More than
plus.
that, probably 30 plus feet of ice. And tomorrow,
And as told earlier, this is called
Watershed ridge.
and one flow
So
of
watershed
water.
ridge is actually nothing but the beginning of a glacier. I mean, not glacier. This is where actually the primary melting happens and the river meandering
Starts.
happens.
Yes.
Yeah.
So the 2 rivers are there. One which will go to Malana Valley, the other side, and then one which you go to Seri down, and it's called Duhanga Nala or Dome Ganga or whatever. There are several names.
you should see that Nala in the videos or the prior videos which I will be uploading in my YouTube channel. And tomorrow we will start for Lord Ferry to directly to the Duhangan call, rather shifting it to Chandratal.
Chandratal.
It will take about 45 minutes to Chandratal and 3 to 4 hours precisely to reach the last camp, which is called Duhangan call before the summit. And we will come back again tomorrow, and we will have to get acclimatized ourselves for this climate. Now
It's
the
actually
temperature
gradual
is
ascent, and then it's very difficult, at this altitude, and then you need to push yourself hard more.
currently the temperature is approximately 0 to 1 probably, and it might go to sub temperatures like -6 to -7 at night. It's about almost 6 o'clock, 10 minutes to 6 o'clock. Maybe in half an hour we'll have our dinner. So far everybody are in good condition, all the participants along with the porters and everyone. We are being served with A1 class food from a Nepali cook. His name is Jangu Dada, and
And his
We are
helpers are also good, Chandan and Amit.
Chandan,
And
Amit, Taru, and led by Sir Rahul Ogra sir, and Harsh Dada.
Expedition leader is Mr. Rahul Ogra, and then lead climber is Mr. Harsh Thakur. So he's also called
Harsh Thakur
King of
is
Malana.
yeah.
I mean, King of
Harsh Thakur is a very interesting thing. He has skied down from DOT bar, and he is the second person to do that. The first person was the Japanese skier. He is known by every single person in Manali. He is that famous. He was also a professor in Atal Bihari Vajpayee
Yeah.
Institute of Mountaineering as well. And this guy has done his BMC from the same institute, and we are hoping to see the good steps ahead. We'll get you back once we are at the higher camp. That's going to be the last camp, and from there we will have to wait for a good window to take the
Do
final
our
step, which
summit.
will take about 7 hours to summit from that Duhangan call. So there you go, and we'll catch at the next higher camp. Thank you.
This place is like nearly heaven on earth.
4,160 meters is the current altitude where we are currently in, and the Diotiba height is 6,001 meters, and
So we
hoping to
have
reach that.
to climb another 2 kilometers.
Approximately 2
Approximately.
kilometers. 1900 meters.
Precisely. But it's a long route to take.
5-6 more days trek.
Yeah.
I mean, climb. It's not trek.
Expecting.
Trek ends in Tenta.
Great. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this, and you'll see the final 2 more videos and the next.
Yeah, we will keep on
presenting.
updating
Yep.
wherever we camp.
Thank you, guys. Bye bye.